Today the topic is SUMIF. Here you can see so many items like tomato, apple, orange, mango, banana and their type like vegetables, fruits. Here we need to see about the total vegetable sales or total fruit sales. In that case, it is easy. We can use SUMIF function. Just we can enter SUMIF, then open the bracket, then select the type because we need to check total fruit sales. We can search the fruits in this column like B1 to B8. Then enter the criteria. What we need to search? We need to search fruits. So in double quote, we can enter fruits. Then we need to find the sales, so that here just select the sales column like from C1 to C8. Then just close the bracket. You can see the total 135. Same like if you want, you can edit, instead of fruits you can enter the vegetable, or here you can type the fruits, then instead of the fruits, the criteria, you can select the cell like E3 we are enter the criteria. Now you can see fruits now 135. Now we can change to vegetables. Now you can see 130. So we can use this for different criteria and for different example. Thank you.